What is this? Huh? Ninja. Are you live streaming or gaming and your CPU's making too much noise? Feeling annoyed that the sound of your desktop's getting in the way of your cat videos and your night fapping? Self-conscious, fat, ugly. Are you using a shitty stock cooler that you've been using for like 10 odd years? It's full of like cakey old thermal paste that's making a stupid racket? Well, don't worry, because the Scythe Ninja 5, the quietest CPU cooler on the market, running for $60 USD. The Scythe Ninja 5 is a huge heatsink. It's massive. It's like the size of my head, or at least one of Charlie's boobies. And today, we are using vodka to clean our processor because it's COVID time and I got no isopropyl alcohol, and Linus from Linus Detective said it was okay, and 2 coffee filters to kind of clean it off. So you rip the CPU glue off, and it's a piece of stock shit. You just throw that shit away, and you just rub it down. You rub it down with those coffee filters. Yeah, you do that. You get a little bit of vodka, and then you dab that on, and you clean it off those coffee filters, and make sure your coffee filter CPU is clean. You take out the brackets, put up the brackets that it's necessary. It's so easy that even a retard like me can do it. The Scythe Ninja 5 comes with thermal paste, a nice long Phillips screwdriver so you can install the CPU cooler, and everything else you need. Except for the vodka. The vodka is sold separately. The secret to the Scythe Ninja 5 is its 2 heatsink fans. The fans are rated at 800 RPMs, making it one of the quietest active CPU coolers in the world. It fits in most ATX and micro ATX cases, and it's decent enough for cooling. Just look at these graphs. And look at those graphs. Like and subscribe if you want to see more boobies in our future video. Click below to buy a Ninja 5 Scythe, the world's quietest cooler.